Hi, I'm Judy K. Mozoff, and today I would like to talk to you about how to encourage accountability. Even saying the word accountability, most of us like, oh, not really, not again. We feel maybe it's micromanaging or babysitting. Well, here are some ways to help you encourage accountability in your practice. First of all, start by establishing clear job expectations. I like the SMART goals. SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. And then second, communicate daily and address any concerns immediately. Oftentimes something happens and we think, oh, it's not that big of a deal, I'll let it go. And then it happens again, and maybe the third or fourth time we address it. Well, the problem with that is once we allow it, it is deemed as acceptable. So address things as they happen. Have constructive conversations. I'm not a fan of constructive criticism. I really don't think there's anything constructive about criticism at all. So when you're having a constructive conversation, make sure that you utilize the word and instead of but. For example, you really do a great job at this, but negates. Instead, say you're really doing a great job at this. And if you added just this part here, it would make it that much better. Constructive conversations start out by having 3 to 1, 3 positives for every growth opportunity. And great constructive conversations are 5 positives to every 1 growth opportunity. Making sure that you are having those constructive conversations, communicating on a daily basis, and establishing clear job expectations will help you create accountability. Check into my next month and learn more about how to encourage accountability. This is Judy K. Mozoff wishing you an awesome day today, because today is a great day for you to shine.